Not a lot of people enjoyed mathematics during their school days, but I have 9 books that will help you fall in love with maths. Again, let's move along. Now, knowing mathematics is like wearing a pair of X-ray specs that reveal hidden structures underneath the messy and chaotic surface of the world. Now, this is found in a book titled How Not to Be Wrong: The Power of Mathematical Thinking by Jordan Ellenberg. Now, why you will love this book? Math touches everything we do. The whole world is shot through with it. Armed with math, we can understand why the world works the way it does. The second book, Humble Pie. It's a comedy of math errors by Matt Parker. In February 2017, 6 F-22s were flying from Hawaii to Japan when all their systems crashed at once. This was not triggered by an enemy attack or clever sabotage. The aircraft had merely flown over the international date line. Why will you love this book? Our modern life is built on math, working quietly in the background until it doesn't. When math goes wrong, disaster ensues. Math plays an important role in our world. Why will you love this third book? The Greeks had no zeros. Roman numerals have no zero, but they also had no infinity. We used to be afraid of infinity and nothing less. But in math, zero is essential. Zero by Charles Sefi. Zero is powerful because it is infinity's twin. They are equally paradoxical and troubling. The biggest questions in science and religion are about nothingness and eternity, the void and infinite, zero and infinity. The Dot and Line by Norton Juster. For she only had eyes for a wild and unkempt squiggle who never seemed to have anything on his mind at all. Why you will love this book is a charming children's book telling a love story between a line and a dot. Subtle mathematics baked in a sweet story. The Man Who Counted by Julius Caesar. Geometry exists everywhere. It is necessary, however, to have eyes to see it, intelligence to understand it, and the spirit to wonder at it. Each one introduces a mathematical idea along with a story about traveling through the Arab world. It's short and has digestible chapters. A Mathematical Lament by Paul Lockhart. Why you love this book? Lockhart puts maths on par with art. Most schools today taught us to be anxious about math, but we shouldn't be. No mathematician in the world would bother making these senseless distinctions. 2.5 is a mixed number, while 5/2 is an improper fraction. They are equal and have the exact same properties. Who uses such words outside of a 4th grade? 7. Magical Mathematics by Percy Diaconis and Ron Graham. Some magic tricks lead to questions beyond the limits of modern mathematics. Sometimes we have been able to solve the mathematics problems and create a new magic trick. In this book, you will learn math through card tricks. These tricks are not sleight of hand, they are mathematical. The 8th book in Rappels by Mumford series and Wright. Why you love this book? It's full of astonishing pictures. Discover what you get when you reflect images over and over again in circular mirrors. Since the net is infinite in extent, the pearls are infinite in number. In the glistening surface of each pearl are reflected all the other pearls, even those in the farthest corners of the heavens. The 9th book, Infinite Powers, is a story of calculus and was written by Steven Strogatz. Why you love this book? Calculus and statistics are other math disciplines and are crucially interwoven in everyday life. Math describes the world in the original, universally recognizable way. It isn't necessary to learn how to do calculus to appreciate it, just as it isn't necessary to learn how to prepare fine cuisine to enjoy eating it. Math does worry. When you discover its beauty, you fall in love with learning it. The more engaged you are when learning it, the easier it will become for you to excel. Comment in the comment section which math book you have studied and how you enjoyed it.